So, you think you are smart, right? You have touched the tail of the tiger. We shall see.
Yes, I buy phones.
Buy phones.
I buy anything gadget.
Gadgets.
Electronics, anything.
Okay.
Yes.
Hope you buy it at a good rate.
See, each phone that you gave me, I'm going to buy it $1,000.
Huh?
Yes.
$1,000.
Yes. Call it small button phone.
Pay me for this phone.
You mean this is a iPhone XR?
This is XR.
Wow. Interesting. You have phones.
See, if you have this one, but just pay me one first. Then I'll
You think I'm joking before?
pay me.
Baba, I'm fully prepared. This is dollars. Hey, this is what I do for a living. I buy phones 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bro, count.
1, 2,
Count.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's like okay, no problem. You can have it. Yes.
$1,000.
$1,000. Yes.
Just for one phone.
Oh my God! I have been standing here before, looking for my clients. They called me that I should come and take some phones.
Sir, give me money for this one.
You mean this one also?
Yes.
Oh, thank God! I nearly lost hope. That this guy disappointed me today.
Lost?
Yes.
Sir, bring money.
1, 2, 3, 4,
This is business.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count, bro. Count.
I don't need to count it. It is complete, eh? This is $2,000.
See, I buy anything phones, anything electronics. Okay? If you,
Wait. You buy anything, gadget, electronics, cars, uncle?
But I buy all those. You see, I have money. I still have dollars inside my car. Yes.
Okay. You buy all these things without receipt, without nothing.
But just
Cracked,
see,
non-cracked, working
let
perfect, not
me
working
tell you the
perfect.
truth. I have this company that I'm working with in China.
Okay.
Once you give them old phone, they rebrand it,
Wow.
make it new one.
Wow, so you buy and go there to rebrand and sell?
Yes. There is
Wow.
this panel inside. There is this panel. It's the panel inside we are buying. We are not even buying phone.
Oh.
Yes, the panel inside.
Say no more, don't worry. I'm still here.
I'm still
You're still here, right?
Perfect.
Wait for me.
Like
I'll
seriously?
get more phones. Wait for me. Shit, you're still here. Don't move. Oh. I'm coming.
Baba.
Just now. No.
I'm waiting for you.
Wait for me.
All right. Wow. You see this guy? Make phone. I have money. I can pay you even if you have 1,000 phones. I can pay you. Wow, it's like this guy is a very sharp guy.
Hey, babe. What happened?
Where are you going to now?
I'm about to go to my
Hey,
friend's house.
don't worry. Don't go investigate. Call me millionaire.
Millionaire. What
Call me
happened?
millionaire.
Millionaire.
I have money now.
Eh?
Don't receive. I'll pay you. Don't shout. There's nobody around.
No, what happened?
There's this thing like buying things in hard currencies, dollars.
Are you sure?
Guess what? I sold 2 phones. Guess how much I sold it?
How much? No, I'm not good at guessing now. Just tell me.
It's dollars. $2,000. This man buys each phone I sell for him. He buys it $1,000.
Jesus Christ. But where do you get the phone then?
We leave where I got the phones and focus more on the money
So what do you want to do
I'm
now?
getting from the phone.
What do you
Listen,
want to do now?
See, what I want you to do for me now is you give it to Android phone. I want to change it to iPhone. Yes, now. Change it to Android to iPhone.
Is that possible?
It's possible. Just give it to me. When I sell it 1,000, I'll use like 600 to buy iPhone. Which brand of iPhone do you like?
iPhone 16.
16. I'll buy iPhone 16.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Like, for real?
Don't worry, I'll buy iPhone 16. Brand new.
I hope
inside
they will not
carton.
scam you.
Babe, how they scam a scammer? You know, man.
I trust you, Sha. When am I going to get the
Don't worry, just go inside. In the next 30 minutes, I'll be back with you. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Just wait for me. Auntie.
Hi. Why are you running like a Christmas goat?
I've been shouting your name. Are you not hearing me?
I'm not hearing you now.
See,
What is it? It's about money. I don't have money.
It's not money. It's a good news.
What's good
It's
news?
a good news in town. And you call me a millionaire first.
Hey, God. I should call you a millionaire.
And you call me a
That
millionaire.
doesn't know anything that they will ask to read your
Oh
book.
my God.
I
And
should
you
call
call
you
me a
millionaire.
millionaire.
Why now?
Call me a millionaire.
Millionaire.
Call me again.
Millionaire.
Sharp.
Wait. What am I seeing in your hand?
Don't worry. I'm saying this soon. I am not a millionaire.
What?
See, there's this man that is in town now. This man buys anything, gadget, electronics, anything. Freezer, car, pressing iron, microwave, anything that have wire in it. That is it. Guess how much? I sold 2 phones to him.
You sold 2 phones to him.
Guess how much?
How much?
Guess.
How much now? How am I don't know.
I sold it not in our local currency.
Well, how much?
In hard currencies. Dollars. And I sold it in dollars. Hey! Auntie, don't worry, I'll shock you.
They used to call you
not-
dirty money. Hope you've not done somebody dirty this
No,
time.
no, I'm now rack billions. I am now rack billions.
So what do you want to do now?
See, you'll not be giving me money again. I will give you money now. Henceforth, call me rack billions.
You give me money.
And tell
Anyway.
you, this is dollars.
Hey, I was asking you, where did you get this dollar?
This is dollars. Do you know how much this thing? If I change it to our local currency now, do you know how much it costs?
How much?
This is about, let me not mistake it. This is about 6 to 7 million.
Hey! Okay, all right, give me
This
that.
is what
Let
I'm
me-
holding in my
Don't worry,
hand.
let me have some.
See, auntie, I know that you're already getting old. You don't understand anything. So you have to give me this your phone. Eh? If I sell it, I'll bring your own money for you.
To sell my phone.
Bring it. This one is useless. Do not just hello. Don't worry, I'll buy a bigger one of this version for you
Which one are you going to buy for me?
when I go with you.
It's not where you bring it to. The
It's very
latest version
big,
is
it's very big.
See, you say I don't know anything, but even if in my old age I bring out a grey hair, you buy me 18 Pro Max.
You see? I say you don't know anything. What age? Is there 18 Pro Max? What we have is 16 Pro Max.
You
There's
buy
not
me,
like
you buy me in
18.
the future. Buy me in the future before the
No problem. I'll
present.
pre-order it for you. Let me come and buy it for you.
Remove my SIM card though. This is my brother safe. Oh,
Where is this guy now? He has kept me so long.
Boss,
Ah!
I'm back.
I'm even thinking about yourself.
Sorry, I kept you waiting.
Ha!
Yeah. See this one.
Baba.
Thank you.
You be collect guy.
Yeah,
Give me
trust now.
handshake.
When I tell you I'm coming back. And I'm coming back.
This
huge.
one is
This is 11 Pro Max.
11 Pro Max.
And I think this is Redmi.
This Android phone.
Yes, now.
Baba. Fat. Give me hand again. Give me hand.
Nice one.
I just like. It's like you know.
Eh? And this is hustle now. This is what I do. Sharp. Are you not surprised?
I'm
30
surprised.
minutes.
Look at how you are breathing.
30 minutes. I brought you 2 phones. Sharp phones.
Hey.
Whining me. You give me money. Let me go and hustle more. You used to be here every day.
Every day.
Every day you be here.
Every day.
Don't worry. Tomorrow. By what time will you come out?
4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Exactly.
Wait for me around 3 p.m. Before you get yourself. Trust me. Why you come with a truck? Come bringing refrigerator, deep freezer, microwave, pressing iron. I think pressing iron. Yes, pressing iron. Televisions. I have 5.
Say no more.
And you buy cars, right? There's one Peugeot I need to sell.
I will make
I'll
you a
sell it to
millionaire.
Don't worry.
I will make you a millionaire. Say no
Do
more.
you know how much is this? In our local currency. I am not a millionaire. I've changed my name from dirty money to rag billions.
Like billions.
Rag billions.
Guy, you have a high spirit.
Are you whining me?
You have a higher spirit.
Are you whining me?
I like
Bring money.
I like doing business with guys with with that is in fact give me a hand again.
Give me, just make payment. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Hey! Shut down.
6, 7, 8, 9. You even use your math. Hey, Jesus.
2,000. That is complete.
Complete.
4,000. Nice doing business with you.
Let me now shock you. Use this and can buy
Drink. $300. Drink.
Just,
Call me a drunkard.
you might go with your babe or anybody. Just have fun.
Thank you. See, don't worry.
Have fun.
You are not my friend. You are not my business partner. You are not my man. Don't
Baba,
worry.
look at phones.
We keep doing business. This is little to compared to what I used to say every day. Now.
This is phones.
I say this is my street.
Wow.
I run this street.
Wow.
I own this street. every affair about the street. Just come out. Just meet me. It is open to you.
I believe you.
Yeah? Don't worry. You are striking business, okay?
I believe
Don't
you.
worry. Nice banking. Hey! Jesus. What? Sir!
So, you think you can rob
Jesus.
anybody you see on the street, right? Pick it.
Hey.
That is the money you're using
No,
from now henceforth.
No, please.
So you think you can rob anybody you see on the way, right?
No, I'm sorry. I'm very
You've
sorry.
never seen anything. Not seen anything.
Jesus. No, see, ma, please. I'm very sorry that I robbed you. Eh? I'm very sorry. Please forgive me from your heart. Please. Okay, fine. You can take the money and take everything. You just give me the phone. Let me return it to the owners.
No,
please.
it's not possible. I won't do that.
Jesus Christ. You have your phone already with you now. Don't return.
Yes, you have to return these phones to the owners.
See, okay, fine. I promise I'll return the phone to the owners. Yeah, I swear before God and man, I'll return the phone. Just give me the phone straight. I'll go and return it.
I will not
It's
give
my
you-
sister's phone and my girlfriend's phone now.
I will
please.
not give you the phones, but you have to return it. Anyway that you're going to do it, just do it. It's none of my business.
Ma,
That's your
how on
punishment.
earth am I going to return the phone to the owners without... Hey, Jesus Christ.
That's your punishment.
I cannot get new phones for them. Whoa. Hey. Ma, please, you cannot do this now, ma. Please, now. Where will I get the phone from? How will I pay them back? Hey, Jesus Christ. Jesus. Mama, please, my baby will buy me. My elder sister will... Hey, Jesus. Where will I go to? Yeah.